Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're driving north on US Highway 11 in Oswego County, New York, beginning at mile 104 in the town of Hastings. We enter the village of Central Square, which lies at a junction with US 11 and State Route 49. Central Square was originally named Loomis Corners after Chester Loomis, who built a hotel here. It later became a railroad junction. The village was officially incorporated in 1890. In 1929, a fire destroyed the central part of the village. According to the United States Census Bureau, the village covers a total area of 1.9 square miles and had a population of 1,862 as of 2020. We enter the hamlet of Hastings. Like the town of Hastings, was named after Hastings Curtis, a notable citizen who served in the state assembly in 1824. The hamlet lies at a junction of US 11 and County Roads 45 and 38. Hastings is the home of VFW Post 8823, as well as Goldwing Saab and Rover parts. And to think we sold our Saab just before this trip because we didn't know where to get parts for it. We enter the town of Mexico, which had a population of 5,259 as of the 2020 census. Mexico has been called the Mother of Towns because the original town, established by laws in 1792 and 1796, covered an area that later became 6 different counties: Onondaga, Cortland, Oneida, Lewis, Jefferson, and Oswego. Today, these 6 counties include 84 towns that were once part of the original town of Mexico. And although we haven't done any road trips in the south of the border Mexico, we encountered another Mexico in Missouri off of US 61. We passed through the community of Mapleview, initially known as Union Square, a key crossroads of 2 major roads, today's State Route 104 connecting Oswego and Rome east to west, and US 11 running north to south, then known as the Old Salt Road. A post office was set up in Union Square on December 8, 1823, with Avery Skinner as the postmaster. He is considered the founder of Union Square. The name changed to Mapleview on February 9, 1907, when Irwin E. Parsons became postmaster. The post office, which operated from a trailer, closed on May 14, 1990, with Terry Howell serving as the last postmaster. We conclude today's video at mile 118. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.